Guys, do you spend a lot of time writing on slide making PPT? Now just one click and your data will be converted into PPT. Yes, document into slide or URL into slide. We are going to share that how you will convert your website into slide just one click. This is available on Doki AI, where you can create account using Google or email, and then your account will be created. And next, you have to come on the option where you can check out. There is Meta AI talent, there is customer service strategy, and you can summarize your complete website into slide. Even you can upgrade your account starting with $17 to $200 with different number of credit. You want to make slide on any company performance, you can just give here the prompt, and after that you will easily click on the next option to select the theme, and you can even customize using your natural language. You are ready to turn your idea into slide. Now slide making is very simple and everyone can do it in just given one click. You have to select the template or theme here have been given, and after that you can easily click on the arrow option on the right side. And here is the studio where you can check out the key information about what you have given the prompt, what is the number of slide, select the template, and then you will see Apple or what are the prompt on that the working have been started. And this is very simple for the people actually who are beginner and they just want to make slide for their office, for their business, and they want to evaluate a big difference in the previous performance. Doki is going to helping you out that you can even customize any number on the slide in just one click, or you can in the left side box you can easily understand how you are going to customize, and these are the best output you can easily get in a very simple option. Here is Doki AI is going to helping you that you can create PPT for your business, you can easily customize, you can add it, and obviously this is where you can learn about the your report. And now we are also going to giving you details here that it is really awesome work, and in a very short period of time we can create the report about, and you can share to your friends using PDF and different format. You can download it into your device too. Next, you can also check out there are document into slide. This is also available. If you have text form document, you want to convert that text should be into slide, just select here the document, and then you can also give the prompt, and here you can also select this is on auto because your text will also be adjustment and will adjust on the slide according to theme what you have to select. And obviously all the data have been here analyzed and it has been organized in a best way by using artificial intelligence. This is actually Doki AI is going to work and show you best suggestion in the form of PPT you can easily create. And next you can also check out that our document have been converted into the PPT form. You can download it, you can share to your friends, you can also customize according to the template what you have selected there. You can also upgrade your account for further information. Next is about very simple that if you have a website, you want to convert that website product into slide, then you have to get the link of web and then you have to paste here as a URL, and after that all the rest detail will be easily retrieved here. And here is also the template choose, and then you have to click on the confirm option, and rest all the process will be handled through a Doki AI. And this is my product basically about the camera. And here you can also check out this is the data what they have easily obtained from the website online, and this has been created. You can even check out there, you can analyze, add the chart there, you can also add some other content and overview you can easily fix out. So how actually this is working, you can see in this video. This is also for educational review, so you can also check out a link in my video descriptions too. You can follow them on their official Twitter, that is also going to providing you all the latest notification details, what they have added new feature. You can check out for best experience on the Doki AI. And your next level hub is here. You can also check out the difference in between other softwares. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video.